What up, family, friends, faithful followers? I'm standing here in my local Ace Hardware, and you won't believe it, but there are these spinners that are populating the area. There's another one down right there. This one's in a black finish, and the majority of these appear to be brass finish. Except for this one, too. This one's also in a black finish. And that's all of the ones I can find. Remember, like, subscribe, click the bell to stay notified, and you'll be okay. Also, life has no limit, so do something new today.